Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Welcome to the Mashriq University Engineering College, 5th academic years, Electronics and Communication Engineering. Video Engineering and Image Processing course. The first topic is Image Processing System. Image Processing System components. Let us to beginning with the types of image. The first type is visible image that can be seen and received by human eye. The next type is optical image, which is forms of varying in length and hologram. The third type is a physical image. Physical image, also called non-visible, such as temperature, pressure, and population density map. So the standard image processing system diagram can be shown as these figures, which is construct from the five basic components: acquisition device, storage device, processing device, and display device, and connection between these devices to construct the main and whole image processing standard system components. Now let us to explain the elements of image processing system. Let us to beginning with the image processing system construction that formed by the five basic types. The first one is image acquisition device. So this device used for image capture process, construct and convert from physical domain into electronics domain. The next part is a storage device, which is used for image information storage device. The next one is a processing device, can be forming by a microprocessor or microcontroller or a microcomputer that do the processing action on image information. The next part of the image processing system is the communications, which construct paths and connections between devices. Elements of image processing system. The first important image processing system is the image acquisition device. This device acquiring an image in a specific form, such as digital form. In generally, forms acquisition device construct from two elements. So the two elements require, first one is the physical device, and the next one is a digitizer. The physical device is a device that sensitive to electromagnetic energy spectrum, such as X-ray, that produce an electrical signal outputs properties to the level of energy sense. This device converting from physical domain directly into signal domain. The next part of acquisition device is digitizer. The digitizer used for converting electrical output of the physical sensing device into digital form, such as signal conversion from analog signal to the digital form, construct from 0 and 1, demonstrate the information of the image. So the real example of systems for image processing is scanner, image camera, and video camera. Now let us to explain carefully the elements of image processing system based on elements and its functions provided by the each one. The first one is the storage device. Storage device used actually to store an image, for example, computer disk, video tape, or any types of memory used for storing information of image frame. The next component is the processing device that used for processing data for image, or actually digital image processing, supported for IBD, briefly image processing device. Can be either a microprocessor, computer system, or micro DSP or digital signal processing. The next component is the communication pathway or communication device, which combines between the system device and work as shared media for data exchange between components. The last component is the display device. The display device used to support image showing process or output device, for example printers for hard copy, films for show, and TV monitors for interactive image processing display device. Now let us to consider about types of processing action done on image information system. So the first image processing type is the image acquisition device, which provide take an image information from physical domain into electrical or data domain. The next types of process is image enhancement. These types of processing action provide the enhancement and improve image quality and image characteristics. The next one is image restoration and noise removal, which used for remove and restoring image from damage provided by the noise components. Color image processing is a type of processing that mainly proposed for color representing and color information system enhancement. The next one is image compression. Compression techniques used to reduce image size so that can be storing in minimum required space. Image recognition is a very important types of processing that mainly the idea of recognition is to compare between image frame and image frame to exactly construction the types, support for security purpose or image acquisition device. The next types of processing is image segmentation. Take part of an image and processing this segment, for example in medical imaging or in information security. The last type is representation and description, which provide the processing action oriented to the representing an image information or to describe image information in various type to support image processing